Hello everyone! Today we have for testing XFX video card based on AMD processor Radeon R9 380X, which is designed to improve AMD positions at a price range within $250. We can say that this GPU was lucky as it has no direct competitors among new graphics adapters. Recommended price for the standard version at the time of the announcement made $229, and this makes its position between R9 380 $199 at the time of the announcement and R9 390X $329. Situation with external competition is similar. GTX 960 and GTX 970 hardly can be named as straight opponents. It means that in case of an appropriate performance level, the novelty may appear a tempting purchase for users who intend to play at maximum setting at a resolution of up to 1440 pixels. At a first glance, Radeon R9 380X can be mistakenly taken for a branded Radeon R9 280X because structure of their graphics cores has the same number of stream processors, texture and raster units. However, they differ significantly in their microarchitecture. R9 380X is built on AMD GCN 1.2, as well as R9 280X uses AMD GCN 1.0, and this is the reason for the best index of power efficiency, 190 watts versus 250 watts, and support of actual technologies such as virtual super resolution, AMD Liquid VR, frame rate target control, AMD True Audio. We've got the video card for testing without any packaging, but the official website states that it looks like this, and in addition includes video documentation, CD and 2 power adapters with 4-pin Molex to 6-pin PCIe. The novelty is made on a dark textile and applies classic PCB elements layout. GPU power supply subsystem is built on 5-phase circuit. Additional 2 power supply phases are located to the right of the graphics processor. They are designed for the video memory subsystem. Pay attention to warning stickers on mounting screws of the cooling system as their damage leads to loss of the video card warranty. But there is no AMD Crossfire X connector as this technology is implemented at software level. Two 6-pin PCIe connectors have been sheltered on the right side. They are used to provide required power supply to all internal components. Access to them is rather difficult because of the cooling system. Set of external interfaces of the graphics adapter contains 4 ports: DVI-I, DVI-D, HDMI and DisplayPort. XFX cooling system uses XFX host terminal 3.0 design and takes up 2 expansion slots. Its passive part consists of a copper base, aluminum radiator with longitudinally extended ribs, and 4 copper-plated 6mm heat pipe, which is soldered to the footing and to the radiator in order to improve heat transfer efficiency. The separate low-profile heat radiator covers power elements of the GPU power subsystem, but memory chips lack additional cooler. Active part of the cooler consists of 2 85mm Cooler Master axial fans, mounted on a plastic frame. The manufacturer mentions that application of XFX double dissipation cooling technology allows implementing more efficient algorithm for the fan blades, ensuring sufficient performance and acoustic comfort. Let's see what this means in practice. The GPU was heating up to 59 degrees at automatic speed control of fan blades rotation. Rotation frequency of the fan blades made 2605 rounds per minute. The noise was below average and was quite comfortable for a long being around the computer. In idle mode, the fan speed was dropping up to 1459 rounds per minute. In this case, GPU temperature was 31 degrees and the cooler was working very quiet. As a result, the applied cooling system showed highly effective heat excess removal and noise comfort at automatic regulation of the fan blade's rotation. We have chosen the nearest inner and external competitors of AMD Radeon R9 380X for comparison. However, you can choose independently any models you are interested in and update comparison chart. The results proved to be very predictable. Cheaper R9 380 has lagged behind the average by 7.7% owing to reduced number of structural units in its graphics core, but more expensive R9 390 is ahead by an average of 35.5%. It means that it is possible to release one more video card between R9 380X and R9 390 within the price range from $250 to $300 if required. External competitors show the similar trend. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 is behind the review hero by an average of 11%, and GTX 970 is ahead by an average of 28%. We also consider the novelty to have fine energy consumption performance of the system. Total power consumption was reaching 341 watts, which is above GTX 960, 293 watts, but it's lower than GTX 970 and R9 390. In total, the novelty shows a fairly high level of performance in modern games, which is enough for maximum graphics settings at a resolution of 1080 pixels. In some cases, XFX RADEON R9 380X DD Black Edition OC will even cope with 4K resolution. Overclocking of the reviewed video card was carried out using MCI Afterburner. Manual increase of the GPU voltage was not possible, as it automatically slightly increased from 1163 to 1169 mV when power limit indicator peaked. As a result, the GPU speed managed to increase from 1030 to 1096 MHz, that corresponds to an increase of 6.4% and 13% as compared with the reference 970 MHz. Video memory speed managed to improve from 1450 to 1627 MHz, which means slightly growth of 12%. During acceleration, fan speed was forcibly fixed at the maximum level. The GPU temperature at 100% load reached 54 degrees only, which shows excellent efficiency of the preset cooler. The average increase was 5.8%, which allows the new product to improve its result a little more. We do not exclude that in future it could be possible to raise the GPU voltage much higher, and it means that manual overclocking would be more impressive. And now let's summarize our acquaintance with the video card XFX RADEON R9 380X DD Black Edition OC. The novelty is based on AMD Antigua XT graphic processor using the latest AMD GCN 1.2 microarchitecture. Therefore, it is specified by the relevant API technology support as well as by lower power consumption. As far as performance level is concerned, the R9 380X features are capable to run any modern games at maximum settings at a resolution of 1080 pixels. In some cases, you can get a comfortable speed even with 4K resolution. Comparison with inner competitors also proved to be quite predictable. The difference between R9 380X and R9 380 in quantity of structure units results in an average 8% increase in productivity. Comparison with inner competitors also proved to be quite predictable. The difference between R9 380X and R9 380 in quantity of structure units results in an average 8% increase in productivity. The novelty looks much better versus NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960, the difference is 11% on average. But it's possible that NVIDIA will decide to release GTX 960 Ti, which is in similar price segment, and AMD should not take it easy. Regarding directly to XFX model series, the first thing we liked was the cooling system applied. It is really smart to cope with excess heat removal in automatic mode, remaining relatively quiet at the same time, but it also ensures reliable cooling at overclocking in automatic mode. The new product can also blow a slight preset overclocking of GPU and memory, which promises an additional performance bonus. Good luck to you and bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.